Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will review the QUID Personal Loan app. QUID is a personal loan app that provides quick access to small loans ranging from £100 to £1,000. The application process is straightforward, with approvals often granted within minutes. While the app offers competitive interest rates, some users have noted that the APR can be higher depending on their credit history. The app allows for flexible loan terms, but it's crucial to review the associated fees and charges carefully. Customer service is generally responsive, though a few users have expressed concerns about transparency. Overall, QUID is a convenient choice for obtaining quick loans, but it's important to fully understand the repayment terms before making a commitment. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe.